In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text with hanging indents using Canva. Whether you're preparing a presentation, an infographic, or simply wanting to spice up your digital content, learning to perfectly adjust text layout is key. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open Canva and prepare your project by selecting your preferred template or starting from scratch with a blank canvas. Make sure you have an idea of your project's purpose to select the appropriate size and format right away. This will save you time later on. Next, you'll want to identify the first sentence of your paragraph that you plan to work with. Go ahead and highlight this sentence, then copy it. This initial sentence will serve as the first line in your hanging indent format. After copying your selected sentence, delete the text from its original location. Don't worry about removing this text. You're just setting the stage for a cleaner format that will build up again in a moment. Now, navigate over to the text options. You'll see an option labeled Add a Subheading. Click on this to create a new text box within your project. This is where we'll paste the sentence you copied earlier. You can do this simply by clicking inside the new text box and using the paste function. With your text now in place, you'll need to adjust the size to ensure this sentence fits neatly within your design's layout. Size adjustment can usually be done by dragging the corners of the text box or using the size options located in your text adjustment toolbar. Our goal here is to create a clear and readable format that blends seamlessly with your project's overall design. After you're satisfied with the size, it's time to get creative with the placement. Start by dragging the text box to the desired position within your design. What we're aiming to create here is a hanging indent, which means leaving your copied sentence as the first line aligned to the left. The rest of the paragraph, however, should be shifted slightly to the right. You can achieve this by manually dragging the remaining text following the first line to the right-hand side. Keep an eye on how the text aligns visually in context with your other design elements. A well-placed text block can significantly enhance your project's visual appeal. With some patience and small adjustments, you'll find the balance that best suits your content's style. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to format your text using hanging indents in Canva. With practice, this skill will soon become a staple in your design toolkit, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your work. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.